Hi guys, welcome to today's Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at dollar CAD as we're looking for potential long opportunities. So, want to be a buyer of the dollar, and the reason being is because that strength and weakness table suggests that we continue to buy that market, and also that we look for CAD weakness. Okay, so we're looking for the dollar to gain some value, CAD to lose value. Makes perfect sense to look at dollar CAD for that long opportunity. So if I go into the weekly time frame, the market is bouncing right at this key supporting zone, really big zone between 134 and 133. The market has been in numerous amounts of times and reacted from this zone. So we can see last week we had a nice doji indecision candle, suggesting that something could be forming here. Looking at this daily time frame, we can see daily hasn't obviously changed cyclicity just yet. The price is just bouncing at this support zone. So in order to see a cyclicity change on the daily, if you're a little bit more conservative, what you want to look for is this to be a higher low and a breakout of this high here to then look for long opportunities. But what I quite like is this 4 hour at the moment. So going into the 4 hour, we can clearly see the 4 hour time frame has already changed trend because the market has formed this double bottom, formed a higher high here. It's then pulled back, so this is our low, which is this low currently now. The market is now looking to impulse to the upside. As like I said, conservative traders, you want to wait for a breakout of these highs because it has a nice little zone in there. But if you want to look for an early opportunity, maybe a low risk opportunity, what I'll be looking for is on this 15-minute is a little pullback entry. So we can see what I typically would enter off is a change in cycle. So you can see here the market has double bottomed and broken out. So that candlestick there for me would be a typical entry, but now price has already broken out of that area. You could probably line up an opportunity around about that 134 area, making sure your stop losses are below these lows and looking for a continuation opportunity as well. This may feature as a Blueberry Jam trade this evening due to the end of day. If it does finish pretty similar to how it's finishing now, I will look to potentially buy the high of this candlestick, stop losses below the lows in line with that strength and weakness analysis. Okay, so looking good for some reversal here, and some pressure on this Canadian dollar, which is looking quite good to exploit currently, especially against the likes of like the Swiss franc. We can see pushing down today, retest of some lows in here, so that would have been a good opportunity to get short on this today. But yeah, CAD under pressure, seems to be losing ground against a lot of the other currencies, apart from sort of like euro and pound is getting quite battered at the moment. But CAD, dollar CAD in particular, do like the opportunity to get along this market. Weekly highs here would be the overall sort of intended target for this. So yeah, keep an eye on this one, could be good going into this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you very soon. Cheers.